today we will do workbook exercise. So this is your workbook. Open page number 22, S3, fire and fiber. So students, in the last class we studied about what are fibers. Fibers are needed to make clothes. Fibers can be of two types: natural fiber, artificial fiber. Natural fiber we get from nature, like cotton, jute from plants, silk from silkworm, okay, and artificial fibers like nylon, rayon, polyester, okay students. So today we will do workbook exercise of fire and fiber. Means when a fiber is burnt, what will happen? Okay, so the cotton, when cotton burns like a paper. Okay, so this is the reason cotton have to wear in kitchen. When we are working in kitchen, we have to wear cotton clothes, okay, that cannot burn and curl up and stick to our body. Okay, so that's the reason we have to wear cotton in kitchen. So question number 1, write your observation. You have to take fiber like cotton. What happened to fiber when you burn? Okay, what kind of smell did it gives out? Like paper. Is it a natural fiber or artificial fiber? Natural fiber. Jute burns. What kind of smell? Like paper. And natural fiber. Wool also burn but gives a smell like hair burning. Wool is also natural fiber. Silk also burns. ठीक है, सिल्क ने भी क्या किया? बर्न किया, बट लाइक हेयर. And silk is also natural fiber. Polyester, when we burn polyester curls and like a plastic, smells like a plastic burning. This is the reason, students, not to wear polyester and to not to work in kitchen. When you are working, not to wear polyester clothes. Okay बेटा, आप polyester के clothes पहन के kitchen में work नहीं करें, क्योंकि ये burn करके क्या करता है? Curl हो जाता है like a plastic. Okay, come to question number 2. How is the burning of jute is different from the burning of nylon? Beta, jute is a natural fiber we get from plant, okay, and nylon is a man-made fiber. Number 1 difference. So write with me: jute fiber burns, whereas artificial fibers like nylon curl up and melt. When jute burns, it gives out the smell of when nylon burns, what will happen? It gives out smell of burning plastic. Okay beta, come to question number 3. Which fabric is used to make oven gloves? Beta, cotton fabric is used to make oven gloves, because when we are working in kitchen we have to wear cotton clothes, okay, because they cannot harm us as nylon and other fabric harm us. So write cotton fabric, okay, is used to make oven gloves so that they do not curl up near फायर. ओके, फायर में ये कर्ल नहीं होंगे और हमारी बॉडी को स्टिक नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो डू दिस वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज. वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.